this chassis is a Thermaltake View 71, and it's filled up with all Aorus motherboard, graphics card, as well as those RGB RAMs. Now, we were going for like the Aorus colors, the black, white, and orange, and yes, that's what we did. We have black, white, and orange sleeving right here. Same goes there, and then this is a GTX 1080 Ti, and then the Gaming 7 motherboard, Z370 Gaming 7 that is, and there's an i7 8700K beneath that CPU block. Now we also have that custom reservoir with the T-virus thing going on. It's called the Helix reservoir. Then some of the additional stuff that I did here, you see this one right here is a custom acrylic cover. Didn't put any more designs in there because I want him to focus on what's in the middle right here, like the actual computer parts, the actual water-cooled computer parts. So yeah, just added a little more Aorus stuff right here because that's what you requested. So overall, it's mostly black, hint of white, and a lot of orange as well. So, and yeah, right now those are RGB premium fans. So we got 3 at the front, 3 up top, and that single exhaust right there. Now that's yeah, that's the build. Let's appreciate it more with some B-roll.